I'm a law graduate. I graduated in 2017, and currently I'm preparing for judicial services. And along with that, I'm pursuing the IPR Media and Entertainment Laws diploma by LawSeco. So I was looking for something that I could do with my preparation. And I researched online for a lot of courses, and I was always interested in studying intellectual property because I really enjoyed it back in college too. I wrote a few papers on it. So I found a few courses, but they were not to my liking because they were only providing basic bookish knowledge, which I could buy a book and read. There were no practical skills available. So I was going through LawSeco's website and I saw a lot of courses, and then I saw this diploma. And I really did not know anything about media and entertainment laws because I did not study it in law school. So the best thing that LawSeco does is that they provide a predetermined list that you will learn all these skills when you're done with the course. So I really like that because we need learning objectives. Otherwise, how do we know what we are going to learn? So I saw a lot of practical skills. There were specific skills related to IPR, which some of which I didn't even know about. Like we've learned a lot of things like line production, the concept of showrunners, and it's just been 3 months that I've started the course. I joined in December 2019. So I really love the fact that they are giving us practical skills, which we can only learn if we join a law firm or any advocate who's practicing he's practicing and looking into matters related to IPR. So that was why I joined LawSeco. Actually, the learning is very unique, and this is why I joined in because it's a really unique concept because they give us situations that one would face while working for a firm or in any office, anywhere that in the field of IPR. So they give us an assignment, and it's a practical situation. We have to draft real contracts based on the situation. I really like that. And also the interactive sessions. I make it a point to not miss any interactive classes because the faculty itself it comprises of working professionals from the field of IPR. They are working and they know what they're doing, and they are giving us all this practical knowledge that I think we can get here only. So up till now, we've had various sessions with Ms. Ritisha Mukherjee related to media and entertainment law, and I've enjoyed every session of hers. So now, I was talking about stuff like line production, show runners. I had no idea about. I didn't even know all this existed. But now I can confidently say that I can draft agreements related to all of it. That's how we are learning here at LawSeco. So basically, I make it a point to, since there are interactive sessions, I make it a point to ask the faculty then and there. But if I do have any session while attempting the assignment, everyone, including the faculty and the support team, is always accessible. And this is also uh, a big pro for me because we can ask on WhatsApp in the group to the faculty personally too, and on the LMS also. So no problems with clearing doubts. Actually, I've been preparing since a while. I knew I wanted to prepare for judiciary since college, but I don't have a legal background. My family only has engineers and doctors, so I did not know how to go for it. But after giving a few examinations, I learned that this is a cycle: the preliminary exam, the mains, the interview. So I missed the cutoff by a few marks in mains. So I realized I should also have a second option because since the competition is so high and the cutoffs are high too, so I should have always have something that I'm interested in as a second option. And IPA has always been something that I was always interested in. And if I can't work right now because I am balancing my preparation and the course, so I thought I should go for something for a course that provides me specific practical skills that I would have learned if I had been working uh, for a few years. Yes. There are four things that are great about Law Seeker. There are a lot of other things too, but the first thing is the curriculum. Like we talked about practical skills. Law Seeker, everyone who's working here, they show up for the course. They're always, the classes happen on time. The assignments are uploaded on time. They are evaluated on time. And the interactive sessions are great because how else would you have access to people who are working for IPR? Because like I said, I am not from a legal background, so I don't really have those kind of contacts that somebody would let me know how things are done. So the third thing is the assignments, how they are made, how they are constructed. We are not only dealing with one topic at a time. The faculty make sure that they include a lot of other subtopics that could come up when we are reading a specific, when we are dealing with a specific topic when we are working. And the fourth thing is the accessibility. Like I said, not only the support team, the faculty is always available, and they make sure that even if we don't have a basic understanding of the topic, they make sure that we understand it, and then only they go deeper into the topics. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to say.